My name is Aleksei Jusev. I'm 29 years old and I have a family, 2 kids and a lovely wife. I'm originally from Estonia. We moved here in 2005. I work as a software developer, building websites and software solutions for computers. We got the LEAF in beginning of July, and at this moment we have over 12,500 kilometers on the clock. That's not even 3 months. That's averaging to over 4,500 kilometers per month. I never drove an automatic car before. I was scared, but driving this car just with one pedal, without even touching the stop pedal, even on a motorway, is just a pleasure. Over the next 2 years, including the payments for the car that we have and electricity, it comes up at 5,000 over the next 2 years, just in savings. And that's not restricting yourself. So more money in the pocket to do more fun stuff with kids. Our whole family lives in Dublin. That's my parents, my brother, my grandmother, everyone. And that's 60 kilometers just to get to my parents. So we don't need to worry about that, and we just come in, jump into the car and go. So I guess the fact that it allows us this freedom, I think this is the best thing. I don't think I would ever think of switching to anything else apart from electric. And we have a LEAF, we're gonna go with it because it just goes and it works.